Let's learn how to use GetMobile app. To log into your account, you'll need your campus email and password. Here's an overview of the app. At the top of the screen, you will see email, which is the official form of communication for our campus. To the right of that, you will see Canvas, which you will use to access your courses. At the bottom of your screen is the navigation tool identified by these 5 icons: Homepage, Campus Guide, Community, Notifications, and Profile. Let's start with the homepage. On the home page, you can add shortcuts to your most used pages within the app through the Favorites section. You can also get a small overview of things like your daily schedule, due dates, as well as your courses. Let's move on to the Campus Guide tab. Here you will see 6 sections. In the My Academics section, you will see a tile for My Courses, Holds and Notices, and one for making an appointment, which applies to on-campus services like advisement and the Career Center. The other sections include Financial, Information, Campus Life, Useful Links, and Get Mobile App Help. Let's learn more about some of the tiles on the Campus Guide tab. One of the most useful tiles on this page is the campus map. Here is an overview of the campus. The menu at the bottom lets you find specific buildings and places to eat on campus. Another cool feature of the app is the Starbucks live stream, where you can check the campus's Starbucks lobby to see how busy it is before coming in. You can also access your course evaluations and final schedule. Moving on, the Profile tab provides you with access to things such as grades, upcoming events, your Get to-do list, and financial aid. To stay up to date with your Get Mobile notifications, go to Settings, then Notifications to make sure all of your notification settings are turned on. Visit calstatela.edu/getmobile for more information. For any questions, contact our ITS help desk via phone, email, Instagram, Twitter, or in person at the library Palmer Wing lobby. Our phone hours are 24/7.